Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaire Joy here. Welcome if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to the gang. As you can see today, you guys, you see by the title, we have another wig install video. I have this wig, and y'all, this wig was looking a mess when I first got it. The packaging was cute, but the wig has been looking like a complete mess. You know what I'm saying? And on top of that, this wig, the cap is a little small on it, I'm not gonna lie. So like, they've been doing that all morning since 8 o'clock this morning, and it's 1 o'clock. Like, they about to get on my nerves with that. But I'm probably gonna have to switch to a voiceover because they're loud. They're being loud. They wasn't being that loud. But this wig has these little tabs on the side. Can y'all see? But I've been just trying to put this through it just so it's not like holding me. But it's supposed to be a bob wig or whatever. So yeah, it's in the shape of a bob. It just needs a little bit of shaping. So let's go ahead. I have my wig cap on. I already put a little bit of makeup on it so that, yeah. So here's the wig. I did a little bit of plucking. I did not bleach the knots. I just sprayed some lace tint on it, which is still a little wet, but it'll be fine.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego.
A glueless install. This is a 4x4 closure wig. As you can see, it's really humpy. Like, I don't think that's because of my hair. Like, I feel like it could get flatter than this, but it just doesn't want to. So I'm not gonna argue with it. It don't want to get flat. That's just how it's gonna lay. Okay. Is this still? It's still a little wet, but I'm gonna pull this down. Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, muy bien rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, hey, cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain, pouring up a paint while I'm back in propane, point blank range give a nigga nose range, skip to my loo with the pack and the cat, jiffy, loo with the bricks where they at, dripping, ooze the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, muy bien rapping kilo, snub nose with potato.
On me, bad bitch want back, and you know she stole that ass on me. I don't want that girl cause she want me, cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping on me, dreadlock that cap on me. Back then they napped on me, now they all
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, muy bien rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. No monkey in the jungle, fly hot like a sauna. Busting off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me beat by Verona. Out, bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn
Alright y'all, so now we are at the get ready with me portion. I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm going to be back and show you guys basically what I do to do my makeup. I've been struggling a little bit this summer just because I got a little bit darker, so I'm gonna try to make everything match and have it going good. And then after the get ready with me, we'll go ahead and pick out the outfit. I look a little washed out, like, let me turn this on. Eyebrows, I've been literally using this e.l.f. pomade. I used to use the Anastasia Dip Brow, but I ran out of it, so now I'm onto this right here. So it makes do. And then I use this spoolie in brown. It's called the Brow Defining Duo Brush. This is from IL, whatever the name of that brand is. I got some foundation from them as well. Let me see. I took it down. Hold on. Yeah, so it has the spoolie on one end.
Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
I've been moving kinda slow, no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna dive in and miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in.
Alright y'all, so I'm about to take my pictures. Rick's about to take them for me. We're at the first and only location, because he just giving me such a hard time about taking my pictures today. Oh, but it's giving right here. The sunlight is beaming and I look good, period. So we're about to take some pictures, so yeah. Alright vlog, so alright, so vlog, we just got our pictures, period. You already know the vibes. Your girl took some bomb pictures, so I'm gonna insert them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for my next. Thank you guys so much.